Imagine sending a message across the internet, but before it arrives, someone secretly changes even one letter. How do you know? Blockchain solves this problem using one of the most powerful tools in computer science, cryptographic hash functions. Today, in lecture 5 of our blockchain technology series, we will understand how SHA-256 protects data integrity and why hashing is the backbone of blockchain security. A hash function is a mathematical algorithm that converts data of any size into a fixed length output called a hash or digest. Input can be a transaction, a document, a password, even an entire block of data. Output, a unique string of characters. Example, input, hello blockchain, output, you can see on the screen. No matter how large the input is, the output length remains constant. This property makes hashing extremely efficient for verification. For blockchain security, a normal hash function is not enough. It must be cryptographic. A secure hash function has 5 critical properties. First, deterministic. The same input always produces the same hash. Second, fast computation. Hashes must be generated quickly for network efficiency. Third, pre-image resistance. Given a hash, it is practically impossible to reverse engineer the original input. Fourth, avalanche effect. A tiny input change causes a completely different hash. Fourth, collision resistance. Two different inputs should almost never produce the same hash. These properties ensure trust without revealing data. What is SHA-256? SHA-256 stands for Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit. It produces a 256-bit fixed output, usually displayed as a 64-character hexadecimal string. Example output you can see on the screen. SHA-256 is widely used because it is computationally secure, collision resistant, efficient for large distributed systems. In blockchain systems, SHA-256 performs two main jobs: securing transactions, linking blocks together, hashing inside a blockchain block. Each block contains transaction data, timestamp, previous block hash, nonce, block hash. Here's the critical idea. Every block stores the hash of the previous block. This creates a cryptographic chain. If someone alters an old transaction, block's hash changes. The next block becomes invalid. The entire chain breaks. Thus, hashing makes blockchain tamper-evident. Now comes data integrity. Data integrity means data remains unchanged, authentic, and trustworthy. Blockchain achieves integrity through hashing. Transactions are hashed, hashes are verified by nodes. Any modification instantly changes the fingerprint. Nodes reject altered data automatically. No central authority is needed. Mathematics enforces trust. Role of SHA-256 in mining. During mining, miners repeatedly change a value called the nonce. They compute hashes again and again. The goal is to find a hash meeting network difficulty rules. This process is known as proof of work. Hashing therefore provides security, verification, consensus. Why hashing is perfect for decentralized systems. In decentralized networks, participants do not trust each other. Data must verify itself. Hash functions allow instant verification, lightweight validation, immutable history, distributed agreement. Instead of trusting people, the system trusts Cryptography. Let's summarize. A hash function converts data into a fixed digital fingerprint. Cryptographic hashes prevent tampering and forgery. SHA-256 secures transactions and links blocks together. Hashing guarantees data integrity across the blockchain network. Without cryptographic hash functions, blockchain would simply be a database. With hashing, it becomes a trust machine. In the next lecture, we will explore Merkle trees, how blockchains efficiently verify thousands of transactions. Because blockchain security is not just about hashing data, it's about structuring trust mathematically.